Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Austin Betha. If today is your first time on my channel, you are definitely welcome. Please do not forget to hit on the subscribe button before you leave. And if today isn't your first time, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I feel like I need to tell you guys what I've been up to and what has happened to me. Last week I was really down. I was literally dumb. Now when I say dumb, it wasn't like I didn't have the ability to speak, but my teeth would just not let me be great. I couldn't utter a word and it was really bad. I had a swollen gum. If you had seen me, you probably would be like, who the hell is this? Like, what does she have in her mouth? Because it almost felt like I had an egg in my mouth. Okay, maybe not an egg, better. It felt like I had sweet in my mouth because my gum was just like out, and I'm like, oh my god, who is this? Like, I couldn't even recognize myself, and I just couldn't turn on my camera to sit and say, oh, I wanted to film a video. So I put it out on my social media, of how much pain I was in and everything. And a couple of you reached out to me and, just tried to know how I was doing. And I really, really appreciate it. I do not take it for granted. More especially Oma. Guys, Oma is one person that, I've suddenly just grown a bond with. I've never met her before. She's also a YouTuber, if you're wondering. So I'm just going to add her YouTube name in my description bar, so feel free to check her out. Her YouTube name is Oma and Family. She kept on asking, guys, and I'm like, yo, this is cool. Like, this is who I want to be friends with. Thank you so much, Oma. Now moving on, I think that we need to pay a lot of attention to our teeth. Now the truth is, our teeth does a lot of work, sometimes consciously, sometimes unconsciously, but we pay little or no attention to them. And I feel like we really, really need to change that, because the teeth is the only thing that makes us smile so bright. It's the only thing that helps us chew so easily. It's the only thing that just gives our mouth a proper shape. So if you have your teeth dancing around and everything, something is wrong. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of the things that I learned at the dental clinic. But before I do that, I'm going to insert a clip of me at the dental clinic and me getting ready to have my dental surgery. Nobody should come for me and say, oh, better you're a crybaby, because yes, I am proudly a crybaby, and I cried even before the extraction. Like, who does that? Who does that? Like, I was crying because I had seen people who had extracted theirs in pain, and I freaked out. Guys, trust me, it wasn't that bad. If I'm going to be honest, it wasn't that bad. The only part that got to me was the part where, they were injecting my gum and, just to make that place numb for them to pull it out. Although I have one more extraction to do. I'm supposed to go back there in 2 weeks' time to take out the other bad one. I don't understand. Like, guys, my teeth looks great, but I don't understand what the dentists are always saying to me. Betha, you need to do this, you need to do that. But anyway, we're going to listen to them now, because I don't want to now turn 50 and have no teeth. So yeah,
guys, I'm about to get my teeth extracted, so okay.
By now, what you do go down.
Betha was crying. Like, I'm so embarrassed. Oh my god, but I had to show you guys that. But anyways, now that we're back, straight to business. The first thing I want us to know is that we need to visit the dentist more often than we think. I understand that visiting the dentist can come with a lot of cost, because guys, right now I am lounging in Brooklyn. Well, technically, because you have to pay for everything. And I went to the Lagos State University Teaching Hospital. That's a federal hospital. I did not go to a private clinic, because the first time I went to a private clinic, I was told that to extract one tooth, I had to pay 150,000 naira. And I'm like, yo, that will buy me a camera and a pouch and maybe a ring light. Okay, so that was me, and I'm like, nope, I'm not going to do it. The dentist told me that it was really, really advisable for us to visit them twice every year. So every 6 months you go and visit the dentist, at least to get your teeth checked and then to wash your teeth. Now, they also told me that it was really not healthy to get our teeth whitened. Now, the important thing is for you to keep your teeth clean. Whitening of the teeth is just not healthy, and they would rather that you wash your teeth, you get it really cleaned up, than getting it whitened. Because it's done with a lot of chemicals which might not be healthy for the teeth. I don't know, I've not done any in-depth research on that, but I'm taking the dentist for their words because it was more than one dentist that told me that. So I'm just going to stick to these teeth. I'm just going to clean them up. I'm not going to whiten them. Another thing that I was told, although I know this already, is the fact that we need to change our toothbrush every 3 months. Now, for some reason, some of us think that you have to use that toothbrush until you can no longer see any strand on it. That's not how it works. Whether or not it still looks new after 3 months, please change it because it's not healthy for the teeth. And some people are of the opinion that you have to fill up your toothbrush with a lot of toothpaste when you want to wash your mouth just to get your mouth clean. Now, that's just a lie. You don't have to waste your toothpaste just because you want to get your mouth cleaned. The thing is, the way you wash your mouth is what matters. So I'm going to give you an example. I have my toothbrush here. This is 2 months, so I'm still good. Okay, I have my toothbrush here and my toothpaste. This is Colgate. This is what I use because it has fluoride. They also insisted that you use toothpaste that has fluoride, so it doesn't necessarily have to be Colgate. It could be any toothpaste, but make sure it has fluoride. Now, I've just been a religious user of this, and guys, I'm almost running out. And I went to ShopRite and I did not buy it. But anyway, that's not why I'm here. So you can take as little as this, guys. This is enough to get your teeth cleaned. Now, the problem with us is that we feel like you have to spread it across. The fact that you did this doesn't mean that your teeth is going to be clean. For us to get our teeth properly washed, just like dentist explained to me, I'm just going to be explaining that to you, okay? And I have my teddy bear right here to help me make it easy. You guys want to say hi? Hello. I used to think that washing our mouth was just about that's wrong. Like, that's wrong on every level. You're not fighting with your teeth. In fact, you're going to hurt your gum by doing that and thinking that you're washing your mouth. That's just not healthy. According to the dentist, all you need to do is to wash from up down and then from down up. What I'm trying to say in essence is this. So imagine that I want to wash my teeth. I'm going to put a reasonable quantity of toothpaste on my toothbrush, and then I'm going to go like this way, like from up down. So I'm going this way, and I'm going to make sure I get to the extreme part of my teeth, because sometimes we don't even remember that we have teeth in those corners, but guys, we do have teeth there, and then they really need to be taken care of. So now what this does, oh my god, it looks so ridiculous. Now what this does anyway is you're getting rid of the dirt that are stuck in between your teeth and into your mouth, just so that you can rinse them off. But when you brush, rather than taking out the dirt, you're just pushing them inside and telling them, you know what, just stay there, I'll be right back, stay there. When you're washing the teeth inside, you now need to take your toothbrush and go on them like this. Just make sure you get to every corner of your mouth, and at least spend 2 minutes washing your teeth. Like, guys, don't be in a hurry to just leave. Don't just do and then that's it. No, try and spend at least 2 minutes on washing your teeth. And I'm not saying be aggressive, because being aggressive doesn't really mean that your teeth is going to be clean. I hope I've been able to make some sense to you guys by making a fool of myself on the camera, but if this is what it takes to get you guys to do the right thing, then I'm going to do this all day. Finally, I want you guys to know that your habit and lifestyle, has a large role to play on how healthy your teeth is going to be. So if you drink alcohol all the time, if you smoke a lot, if you just have a terrible diet, then it's going to affect your teeth. So you need to pay attention to all of those things. I'm not saying do not drink. I'm not saying do not smoke. Whatever rocks your boat, it's fine. But I'm saying that after doing all of those things, be sure to wash your mouth. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, especially because I had a guest on the channel. Feel free to share this video amongst your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Please, let's just get to 1K. Like, this thing is dragging for so long and I'm getting really tired. Not tired like I want to quit, but let's just get this thing to 1K. Please subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. Take your friend's phone and subscribe for them if they don't know how to do it. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.